Okay. Let's. Oh, my sweater is on backwards. Hold on. Put that there. Oh gosh, technical difficulties. How are you supposed to put these things in here and let them stay? Okay, that'll have to do. Hi, my name is Jessica, and I've been using red maca root extract for about 2.5 years now. I struggled with hormonal adult acne for many years, basically all through my 20s. I was searching any option to help fix it, and to a point where I exhausted pretty much everything. Every cleanse, every detox, lemon water, making your own turmeric facials, you name it, I tried it. And then I came across your website talking about red maca root extract. So I decided to just go for it. What have I got to lose at this point? I read benefits such as antidepressant qualities, immune boosting, improves energy and mood, and then boom, there it was, hormonal acne. I ordered 3 bottles right then and there, and I've never looked back since. I noticed an improvement in my skin, because that was the biggest reason I wanted to take this. Only within probably a couple of months of taking it. I was taking 2 dropafuls. That's considered 1 for me. So I was taking 2 of those every single morning, and I still do. And as you can see, skin is looking pretty okay. So yeah, I recommend this to a lot of people. I ended up starting my own Instagram page, Hormonal Acne Journey, where I also documented the benefits of maca root because I really believe in it. It helped with other things as well, like mood and energy, libido, but most of all, I was taking it for my skin, and I could say, yes, love, 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 love. I don't think I'll ever stop taking it. So yeah, thank you so much to the Maca team. It's been life-changing. Thank you.